Hello signers, so welcome back to Sign With Me. In today's video we are going to be learning common signs, common essential signs that you can use for your everyday conversations. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and also comment. Do well to stay through to the end of the video and in no time you will be a great signer. So let's go. Want. Now, a flat hand this way, placed this way, and then pull it back to yourself with your finger bent inward this way for want. Want, want, want. Need. Sometimes you see it as need this way, the end sign going up and on this way for need or need. Go. Your index finger pointing at the direction where the person is going to. Go. Come. Have. Now, your 5 hands this way, close this way, and then placed on your chest this way for have. Eat. Now, an O-shaped hand this way, all your fingers coming together and placed close to your mouth for eat. So, eat. Drink. Now, a C-shaped hand placed on your chin, and then your hand goes backward to your mouth for drink. Now, I would like to think of this as the action you do when taking or drinking water. Drink. See. Now, your middle finger placed under your eye and then pull out this way for see. Your index finger will be pointing up this way and then you place it this way for see. So, see. Bathroom. Now, people do it this way if they want to use the restroom, the bathroom, they are pressed and they want to pee, they want to poo, they just do this. So, bathroom. Stop. Now, you bring out your non-dominant hand and a flat hand using your dominant hand and then hitting at the middle of your non-dominant hand this way for stop. Help. Birthday. Make. Play. Now, I like to think of these as the children playing around. So, play. Feel. Now, your middle finger placed on your chest and then pull upward for feel. Think. Now, your index finger placed at the side of your forehead for think. Remember, you do this with your facial expression or with a facial expression. Think. Sign. Ask or request. Wake or woke. Wake up or woke. Sleep. Sit. Stand. Buy. A B-shaped hand using your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand placed out this way, and then you do this for buy. Sell. Now, a B-shaped hand placed this way and in and out rather for sell. Start. Now, your non-dominant hand placed out this way and then your index finger using your dominant hand placed in between your index and your middle finger in your non-dominant hand, and then you do this for start. 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 Let's start. Shirt. Shirt. Socks. Socks. Pant. Pant. Now you pull this like you're putting on your trousers, your pant. So you do this and then you pull it up to your waistline. Pant. Pant. Shoes. Shoes. Book. Book. School. School. Church. Church. Pencil. 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 Clean. Clean. Home. Home. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yesterday. Yesterday. Hearing. Hearing. Who. Who. Where. 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 Why. Why. No. No. Yes. Yes. Happy. Happy. Mad. Mad. Excited. Excited. Sad. Sad. Girl. Girl. Boy. Boy. Man. Man. Woman. Woman. Uncle. Uncle. Auntie. Auntie. Brother. Brother. Sister. Sister. Son. Son. Daughter. Daughter. Baby. Baby. Divorce. Divorce. A D-shaped hand placed together this way and then split it for divorce. 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 Single. Single. Cold. Hot. Hot. Warm. Warm. Temperature. Temperature. Great job, signers. If you know you have been following through, please do not forget to keep practicing. Remember, I said practice makes perfect. So do well to practice, and in no time you'll be a great signer. So until next time, keep signing with me.